Removing the front bumper on the VW Polo MK5. On most cars, when removing the bumpers, it is advantageous to get the light fittings out of the way also. On the MK5 Polo, the fog light can be removed quite easily, so rather than disconnect the fog light from the wheel arch after we've undone the bumper at the side, I'm also going to remove the fog light just to make things a lot easier. Got two T30 torque screws to remove on the top of the headlamp assembly. Remove the wiring harness to the headlamp assembly. Now the headlamp assembly is just held on with two clips, so if you pull the assembly back, and I've put a piece of carpet down just so that there's something soft to put the assembly on and the bumper. Now the grille is actually separate to the bumper, and you do need to remove it completely as there are a couple of plastic clips hidden by the grille. On the top you've got a T25 torque screw on each side. Now we've got 4 clips at the top and 3 at each side of the badge, equally spaced between the edge of the grille and the badge. And you can stick a screwdriver in these holes on the top, but you can also use a trim tool to release them. For the bottom ones, if it's the first time that you've removed the grille, these can be pretty stubborn to remove. But if you use a thin tool, this is Bojo tip 9, and lift the grille up as much as you can. You've got a trim clip at the edge, you've got a trim clip in the middle, and then you've got another one right next to the badge. Now we've got 4 T25 torque screws in each wheel arch, and then 7 along the underneath front of the bumper. And the final one is pointing upwards. Do the same on the other side of the car. Okay. Now for the 7 under the bumper. So on each corner near the wheel arch we've got these 3. And this one in the centre. So now there's just these little clips at the top holding it in position, and these 2 in the centre. So start by pulling the edges of the bumper out. I don't like using metal tools, but these clips are pretty strong. At this point you might want two people just to hold one side of the bumper each. Now if you've got parking sensors, you'll need to disconnect them at this point, and also if you haven't removed the fog lights, this is the time when you'll need to disconnect them also. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. If it has, then please do take the time to like and comment. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos on this car and many others. Thank you.